My name is Iman Batul and I gained first position in board exams with 1100 marks. I have done my metric from KIPS School 343A Johar Town campus. The three things which differentiate a potential topper from an ordinary student are hard work, consistency and begin with the end in mind. As a topper, my real challenges were procrastination, time management and self-analysis. Leader in Me program is a very effective and organized program which makes our life balanced. It has 7 principles. The first 3 principles are based on personal development and the last 3 principles are at society level. They play an important role in our practical life. I can't give credit to a single one. Each one of them has played an important role in my success. The teachers are very kind, the methodology is very effective and the environment is very motivating and competitive. KIPS publications are very helpful in preparations of our exams. They contain every possible short question and MCQ. The notes of biochemistry, physics, English, Urdu are very beneficial because they contain every MCQ from every aspect. As per KIPS teaching methodology, consistent hard work and daily learning were the major two. Oral listening from the previous lecture, good explanation of every concept and exact guidance about the board requirements were the major teaching practice which helped us a lot. The co-curricular activities were a bit limited during my session, but the class assemblies played an important role in confidence building. KIPS is the best place to come if you are serious about your career. They provide us with quality education and helps in the character building of the students. Committed faculty, teaching methodology, student care and motivational sessions are the major things that differentiate KIPS schools from other schools. The motivation of student counselors and kind attitude of our teachers helps us in pressure handling. The best way to achieve top position at board exams is to take the R&D session seriously because in this session the course is revised 2 to 3 times which helps in the board preparations. During COVID-19, online classes, Google Classroom and KIPS LMS helped us to manage our studies.
KIPS School, the foundation for life.